So this young man, unfortunately, had a pretty severe injury to his spine, his lower back, and he had a slippage of L5 on S1 called the spondylolisthesis. He started to have leg pain and numbness and tingling in his feet as a result of the nerves being pinched. We did a nerve test to confirm the nerves were being pinched. And he failed conservative management with therapy injection. So he's here today at the Surgery Center of Viera, and we just performed a decompression and instrumented fusion at L5S1. And as you may have heard him say, is there any pain in the legs anymore?
No pain in the legs.
Gone?
Gone.
And how does that make you feel?
Good. Hopefully I can get back to a teenage life.
That's right, teenage life. Yes, unfortunately, young. So you know the rules?
I know the rules.
Are you ready to dance for us?
Yep.
And like we said, no break dancing.
Not on my head.
All right, not on your head. You ready?
Yep.
Show us some moves. There we go. That's a lot of hip action. We normally don't get to see that in our patients. You want to do a turn for us?
We're doing a turn too? Is this a style show too?
There you go. Wow. So single level lumbar decompression infusion, L5S1. And that was, we came out of the OR 2 hours ago, was it? And you ready to go where now?
Home.
Not going to Disneyland?
Nope. I won the Super Bowl yet.
All right. Very good. So he's going home with his family, and we'll be checking on him tomorrow at home to see how he's doing. No hospital stay. All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
Get it.